Hey guys, I found the last truck I needed from Case B of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and that is Loco Punk Toxic. This thing looks amazing. Here's the back of the card if you want to check that out. Alright, get this opened. Alright, here is the truck. Plastic black cab. Pistons, cow catcher, smokestack and whistle. It's kind of loose. I don't know why. I guess Loco Punk was made like that. I don't know why. There's an outline of toxic gas on there. Chrome tank. Caution tape. 028. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo. Radioactive thunderbolts. There's a skull with a gas mask. Same thing on this side, looks really cool. The green edge glow roll cage. Highlighter green, yellow tires. According to Monster Jam OCD, these are actually charcoal gray rims. So thank you Monster Jam OCD for pointing that out, because I'm sure most people get confused and call them black rims. Yeah, very cool truck overall. Probably my favorite of Case B. And there's the crush car. Yeah, really cool truck. Definitely a truck to pick up if you're looking for it. So yeah. This will make its debut in sign up series number 6. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.